Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरी सांस दिवं म्हणटा आनी येवकार दिता म्हाज्या cooking चॅनलाचेर. So today I am doing this Goan recipe of red pumpkin or orange pumpkin, whatever you call. So we called it Dudhi. So Tambdo Dudhi म्हणटा आमी. So I've taken 500 grams of this and chopped it into like this cubes, washed it nicely. I've taken 3 onions, 2 green chilies, few of small Goan chilies and 2 of Kashmiri chilies, and this is like around 2 big heaped tablespoon of grated coconut. Salt to taste. Let's start with this recipe. So ह्यो आमी आमच्या घरान खूब जाणां आमी सगळीं जाणां करता. ओके, सो ह्यो आमचो दुदी, गोंयचो दुदी, आनी इट्स लायक 500 grams. कोणाक एक शीर घेतला हांवें, सो इट इज 500 grams. Take the pan or whatever you are going to cook and then start adding this onions, chilies, very simple recipe, quick recipe. Then the other ingredients what I am going to add is, this is like 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 2 teaspoon of chili powder. So this is what is going to go as a masala. Then I will be adding little bit of garam masala also to this. Homemade garam masala powder. I will share the link. Salt to taste. And we'll chop this also chili in this. And now let's mix this together and we'll keep it for cooking. So let's mix this together. And we'll keep this for cooking. I will see if we need water to be added. So I will add very little water to this. Very little water, and then we'll check if we need, we will add. Cover this. So now let this cook till the pumpkins get cooked. Okay, then I will show you the next, like adding the coconut and all, it will be later. So now here it is. It has left lot of water. So now if you want gravy to have it with bread, then this can be like this. Or you can dry this till it's nicely done. however you want. So at this time we will add our coconut. And we'll mix this. So it's nice, yum, and it's also cooked. Okay. So hope you will enjoy this. So this recipe is without oil, and yet that vegetable is very tasty. And this is pumpkin season going on, so you can enjoy this. Thank you so much. तर आता हे सगळे शिजले आणि बरे भशेन तो आमचो दुदी शिजोन येयला. ओके, सो हे पां बरोबर, शीता बरोबर, भाकरे बरोबर एकदम बरें लागता. आनी तिखट जावन आसा कित्याक आनी मिरसांग्यो घातल्या, हरी मिरसांग घातल्या, सो ही तीख मातशी. ओके, सो thank you so much and hope you all will enjoy this vegetable. देव बरें करूं.